How may I help you?
Hi dear, we're new to the city and we're wondering if you could recommend a friendly attraction nearby.
Of course, for a fun day out, I recommend the zoo. It's only a 15 drive from here. There's also Adventurous Park with plenty of rides for the kids.
That sounds perfect. How do we get to the zoo?
We could arrange a shuttle service for you. Or you can take a taxi. If you prefer to drive yourself, I'll print out the directions for you.
The shuttle sounds convenient. Can we book for tomorrow morning?
Certainly, I'll schedule it for 9 a.m.
And will you get some extra towels and pillows to our room? The kids are sharing a bed and Paul will use extra comfort.
Of course, ma'am, I'll have a housekeeping deliver those right away. There's anything else I can assist you with?
No, I think that's for now. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay and have a wonderful day for tomorrow. Thank you, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.